What if we lived on Mars in 2025? Could humans really survive and thrive on the red planet so far from home? Let's step into this bold future and imagine what life on Mars might actually look like. By 2025, humanity has dreamed of settling Mars for decades. While it's ambitious, the rapid progress of space exploration, thanks to companies like SpaceX and NASA, has brought us closer to making it a reality. Imagine you're part of the first wave of Martian settlers. What challenges would you face, and how would you adapt to this alien world? First, there's the matter of the atmosphere, or lack of it. Mars has a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, which means you can't breathe without a suit. The air pressure is less than 1% of Earth's, so stepping outside unprotected would be deadly. Your new home would likely be a pressurized habitat, equipped with life support systems to provide breathable air. Engineers would have to recycle oxygen and water using cutting-edge technology to mimic Earth's ecosystem. And yes, your food? Mostly grown in hydroponic farms inside the habitat. Think lettuce and potatoes, much like the movie The Martian. Powering your new life would be another challenge. Solar panels would be the primary energy source, but Mars is farther from the sun, and dust storms can obscure sunlight for weeks. Backup nuclear reactors might be essential to keep the lights on. And let's talk about communication. Mars is an average of 225 million kilometers away from Earth. Sending a message to your family back home would take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes to arrive. Forget real-time conversations. You'd have to adapt to a delay in everything. Living on Mars would mean grappling with extreme isolation. With only a small crew of humans and no nearby neighbors, your community would have to form close bonds to maintain morale. Psychological resilience would be as important as physical survival skills. Then, there are the environmental hazards. Mars experiences frequent dust storms that can last for months and cover the entire planet. These storms could damage equipment, block sunlight, and make outdoor work dangerous. Settlers would need to plan carefully and stay inside during such events. But it's not all challenges. Living on Mars would offer extraordinary opportunities for discovery. From searching for signs of ancient life to understanding the planet's geology and potential for future terraforming, every day would be a chance to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Despite the excitement, living on Mars would remind you how far you are from Earth. That tiny blue dot in the Martian sky, that's home. It would be a humbling and perhaps spiritual experience, reinforcing the need to care for our fragile planet. As the years progress, your small colony could grow. Advances in robotics and artificial intelligence might enable the construction of larger settlements. Over time, humans could build a self-sustaining city, turning Mars into humanity's second home. And what about the long-term dream? Mars isn't just about survival, it's about starting fresh, a chance to build a society from the ground up. The settlers of 2025 would lay the foundation for future generations, shaping a civilization that could eventually extend beyond the red planet. So, why 2025? While it's an optimistic timeline, it reflects humanity's growing ambition to explore and expand. The lessons learned on Mars would prepare us for even greater challenges, like venturing to the moons of Jupiter or beyond. Life on Mars would be harsh, demanding, and awe-inspiring. It would push us to our limits, but also remind us of our resilience and curiosity. Humanity's journey to Mars isn't just about escaping Earth, it's about thriving as a species that looks to the stars for answers. In 2025, living on Mars might still be a dream, but that dream is closer than ever. And who knows? You could be part of the generation that turns science fiction into reality. What do you think life on Mars would be like? Share your thoughts in the comments below.